Hi, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the magic rainbow ball. First, let me show you the ball. It has one hole. The hole is not this one because the green ball will go here. But the hole is the one which is opposite to the purple ring. This ring is the hole. So when it's solved, this is going to be the hole. Right now, the hole is in this green ring, which is above the purple one. So if it's forward one, it's this. So you can take it any way. 5 different directions you can do that move. Not from the purple, but the tilt. That is not a jump, because this one will not calculate that one's jump, because it has the 2 rings on it. Now, I'm going to show you how to solve it. First, for F4L, you need to choose 16 of the pentagons, and then you'll turn on each of them for F4L. Let's see which ones I'm going to choose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, now we are going to do the F4L step. If this swaps, 3 layer swaps, 2 layer swaps, solve them using this algorithm. So, here's a parody case. I finished the first step of F4L here. You solve 4 balls. Then, some people would do F4L, F2L, F2L. But it's the real step, which is F4L, F3L, F3L, F2L. Now, F3L, you choose 3 triangles. And you choose 4. So you can do the same swaps. So now, we have solved one whole side. One whole side is 6 balls. So we don't need to do anything with this. Now we only focus on this side. Then we solve this side like normally. In F2L, F2L. Sometimes F2L, the last one, you may be thinking of the F2L on the Rubik's Cube. On the Rubik's Cube is not the same thing, because on the Rubik's Cube is first layer, second layer, third layer. And you need to solve all up to that part. But on this one, you only do the swaps. So I don't have another F2L in this solve. So now, I'm going to scramble it, and you need to count how many seconds. I'll count as well myself. Now let's do the parody moves, which will make it harder. And now let's start solving. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and it's solved. Mostly, when there are too many swaps, I take about less than a minute or so. But when I really started doing this, it took me about 6-7 minutes. But then I kept practicing on this, and then we just got to 18 seconds solve. So, easy scrambles, hard scrambles. You may think easy scrambles are already hard scrambles, and hard scrambles are easy scrambles. And there's also the swaps. The first swap needs you to do this. Anything. Just this. Flip. That will not give you a flip. Flip. This will give you the swaps. And then you've got that ball and that ball without moving or damaging any of the balls in this solved. So you solve it like this. All you do no swaps, no swaps, same thing again. You should do and then do the other moves. And now it's solved. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please subscribe for more videos. Please subscribe to my channel for number blocks, maths, English learning, Rubik's Cubes, puzzles, and fun vlogs. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.